On X or Twitter, if you want to mute certain notifications, you can do that. In this video, we'll explain how to mute specific notifications on X or Twitter. First, open the X app. Then, at the top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo. When you do, you'll see an option for Settings and Support. Click on Settings and Support. Next, you'll find Settings and Privacy. Tap on that. Once you're there, you'll see Notifications. Click on Notifications. In Notifications, you'll find an option called Filters. Click on Filters. When you do, you'll see Muted Notifications. Tap on that, and you'll find several options. If you don't want notifications from people you don't follow, just select that option. If you don't want notifications from people who aren't following you, you can check that box too. If you want to avoid notifications from new accounts, you can select that option. And if you don't want notifications from people with a default profile photo, you can check that as well. There are more options available, like muting notifications from accounts that haven't confirmed their email address. You can also mute notifications from accounts without a verified phone number. Adjust these settings based on your needs. This way, you can easily mute notifications from certain people on X or Twitter. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.